My name is John Welsh and I'm a Xylem Product Manager. This is the Model 3017M Chlorine Analyzer. In a previous video, I did an overview of the analyzer and the measurement technique for chlorine determination. In this video, I'm going to cover the steps that are necessary to start the instrument. Normally, the instrument would be wall-mounted or panel-mounted. For the purpose of this video, I've mounted the instrument to a tabletop rack for ease of demonstration. So the steps that we would have to take would be to bring power to the instrument. This one's been wired for 110 volts. Install the pump tube, install the reagent tubes, mix our reagents and place them in the reagent bay on this side of the instrument, connect our sample and our drain line, and then finally bring power to the instrument. That is done by closing this fusible link on the terminal block like so. As soon as I close the switch, the instrument starts up. It goes through a self-test to ensure that everything is working properly. And once the self-test is complete, from the menu buttons, using the up-down buttons, I would select Startup, press Enter. You can hear the pumps starting to speed up. The startup routine goes through a predetermined number of steps. First, to prime the reagents and a sample to make sure that all the lines are filled with liquid. As soon as that's done, then the sample pump stays on, the reagent pump turns off, it rinses all of the lines. Then the next step would be to set the gain or the zero measurement on the sample without reagent, then inject the reagent, measure the absorbance, and then display the output of our sample. One of the features of this instrument at startup, it is not absolutely necessary to have a process sample available. The sample inlet line at the bottom of the instrument is connected here. I have this one connected to a container of tap water. That would all be necessary after installation to get the instrument started. In the next videos, I will be going through how to install the pump tubes, reagent tubes, and other maintenance items for the Model 3017M.